Hello everyone, here to talk to you about this wonderful car, 1937 Miller Golf race car. And we're offering this car right here in Auburn, Indiana, this Labor Day weekend, September 4th, not too far from Indianapolis, Indiana, where Harry Miller was able to introduce and showcase his genius on the track through his creations of wonderful racing cars. And this particular example is one of the most surviving examples with its original components, and it has a wonderful history, and it's a great opportunity for collectors to check out, learn about, and have a chance to own coming up here at the auction, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.